See, this is the look. Boots fashion over, skirts, everything fashion over.
Let me tell you what I got one of, bitch.
Hey cuties. Yeah, I know y'all are wondering where the hell are we? This can't be Kayan house. But it is. This is my daughter's room. I know she's not nasty. It's just that her... Anyway, let me just say before I was rudely interrupted. The dresser broke. Or chest drawer. I think it was a chest drawer. So it broke. And then we have to end up take out the whole of the clothes them. Not we, she. Because of that now, closed up on the bed for days. About 2 weeks the room look like this. I can't deal with it no more. So, I'm going to be the good mommy and fix this. Oh, by the way, we just get a new one for her. So, we about to turn this room from this to... Y'all see it in a minute.
The original Freedom machine came the original SUV, and we're assembled right here in Michigan. The Jeep brand has always stood for American freedom. Items are only Jeepins. Oh wow! A huge, this place is big. It's big, like family style seat. Oh, and he reveals all the Tom away the head butter and cookies.
No, she won this at the fair about freaking 3 years now. And it's just here. It's so big. It's huge. Love it though. No, we gotta be sipping on something.
It is unlike any other crab experience ever.
To take on this, you have to sip, my love.
From those eggs, that's like a bitterness plus a bit of like a
oh my god.
the yolkiness of it. And
why do you have a closet if it's gonna look like this?
Together, that brings it together. Wow, it's so rich. It's so intense. Like you would not even like know that it's the same as like crab meat that in, and then you can eat it.
Y'all see that box right there? Full with new clothes from Shein. We bought it last year when we was going. Well, not me. She bought it last year when we was going to Jamaica for Christmas. Faye, my niece them are cousin them, and it never come in time. It never come in time, so we have to leave it. I think maybe I tell them to say the stuff them never reach. But yeah, that's them. So now I have to go find somewhere to put them. And them here up on top are clothes where she grew out. So we have packed them with them there and packed them in the barn before we are going to Jamaica. So the my niece them can wear them in the yard, you know. But I never know, because when my daughter skinny, my niece them round. I never know how that I go work again. It used to work one time for my little niece. But baby girl get chunky, my love. Round up and sexy like mommy. So I'm going to put this. Oh my god. Oh no, I don't think so. Girl, that's not going to work. I need help. Woo! And the phone me if I use because the camera, in my camera, I not go up there. Okay, so now we're going to deal with the closet here. I think it's time she let go this bag. Like she have this bag forever. I don't know why she hold on to it. But thick and heavy. I don't want to throw it away because I don't know why she insists on keeping it. Cute. She never put this in my closet, you know, because she know. She know I'm going to wear it.
There's so many different sections. The meat is
Why? But look how she have it in here, I been up. Them don't know if take care of it, them just spend money and don't know if take care of nothing. More new clothes.
Man, everything they do here is massive. And these are just joints of the crab in between where the arm connects to the bite. That's a big, huge nugget of crab.
But I got this for her years ago, like 5 years ago. And it's just here. It's so big. It's supposed to be in her bed, but I guess she grew it out, so she stuffed it up in the closet.
The stink beans have a beautiful crunch and then just release that beautiful.
So I'm gonna figure out what am I gonna do with that.
Stink bean sensation in your mouth.
So guys, I don't have enough space to put them clothes here. So I think, right? I'm just gonna put them in one of those Ziploc bags and suck it up and put it before the rest and spread them there until I'm ready for them. So I wanted to show you guys this cup. I got this for Tisha about 2 years. She had just opened her shop and it was like, I think she opened like in November and then Christmas come right around. So this was a part of her Christmas gift. So this is her logo right here. It says BBB with the hair, and her brand is Bar by Brie. So I had it to the cup and then, you know, just put some ear and some scissors, like ear stuff, because I don't know, she hairdresser. 2023, that's how long ago it was. I didn't even remember that I put the hair on it. So it said Merry Christmas 2023, her logo and the name of her brand. Yeah, it was so cute. And all me I tell a little girl to use it, she won't use it. Yeah, she did an amazing job with this custom thing. I just bought the cup from Amazon and then she did the rest. So cute. And if you guys are interested in knowing who it is or interested in anything like this, just let me know. I will link her stuff down in the description. Okay? Yeah, this was really cute. But this little girl now use it. Souvenir, girl. Souvenir. This one too. This one came in one basket. Let me tell them I was up a basket for her. But she never used it either. And guess what? I have one and she constantly using mine. So I'm going to put them right up here with the headphone box so she know want that way. Right there. Okay, so I think I'm finished with this little corner right here. This is our little sweet section.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Hey newbies, hey cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kayanntoocute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video, vlog, whatever your little heart desire. Just please like the video for me. Turn on your post notification bell, cuties, please. One thing I'm asking, turn on those post notification bells so you can get notified whenever I upload. Okay? Alright, thank you so much. And watch the ads. Again, I'm not telling anyone to watch 10 ads, okay? 1, 2, 3, whatever you feel like. Just watch some ads. You have to watch some. Okay? Alright. Anyway, I'm here. I'm just getting off work. I'm telling you how backward me is when it comes to social media. Today is Tuesday. And from yesterday, me I search Instagram. I look for the name of the people who win the contest, the giveaway on Mother's Day. I don't know if someone know I had a live Mother's Day and I was giving away gift cards. I still have 3 leave because me not give them out yet. No, I actually have 4 leave because my cousin gave away one. She gave me the money to go get it. I'm supposed to go get that. I'm gonna get that right now before I go home. But the thing is, right? I am looking for the people and I can't find them. I'm like, the people them don't want their money, them don't want the gift card. Maybe I try $25, nobody don't want that or whatever. But I not see nobody that takes only if you go up on YouTube now and see people like message me. I say they message me on, and I'm like, I'm on Instagram. I cannot find any message. I'm there and I'm looking and I'm not seeing a message. Only if you know, say you have like a part when somebody texts you, like you have to accept it in order for. I didn't know that because to all TikTok and Facebook people them just pop up out of nowhere. I didn't know Instagram actually you have to actually accept the request in order for somebody to talk to you. Never knew that. So I'm gonna look on it, I see it said 9 requests up at top. Press on it, about 3 or 4 are the winners in there. No, I only sent 2 already because one of them I need her to confirm. Like, I don't know. I'm not trying to disrespect anyone, but you know how this world run, right? I know people will literally come on here and said, I'm a winner. And then they're not. Them just, because her name don't correspond with our YouTube name. And when I go up on YouTube, I can't find it. So, you know, I'm waiting on her to tell me what is her YouTube name or actually send me a link to our YouTube page. But yeah. That was weird, bro. I'm telling about a carrier though. A carrier will make you meet in an accident, man. I actually pull up in one little parking lot, you know, when I discover say the message them really then on the phone. I have to pull up in one little parking lot and go check it for real, cause one thing I don't want nobody to feel like say me and scam them. You know them way them? I don't like that at all. But I'm glad I find them and everybody was cool. Well, not everybody can not get to everybody yet. I don't see them. I don't see some of them, not at all. Anyway, cuties, what's going on? It was a blessed week. Mother's Day was. Y'all see that live? Clock that tea. That live was crazy. Love it. Thank you guys so much. Something going on here? I don't know. It's red light, but a hell of a traffic. I don't know. It's like, y'all see all these cars? What's going on? I don't know which way to go. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see. I wanna know, so I'll know me not pull not one of my gift them yet. I'll know me not pull not even one. But when I go home this evening, when I don't deal with partner, I never do it. Yeah. I'm supposed to deal with partner from yesterday, but when I go home, go help my daughter clean the room, the man. I couldn't stand for see the room they like that no more. And I know, you know how when, I don't know, for people who love for clean, right? And even if you don't love for clean, when you see the mess and it is so big, it don't make you overwhelmed and like, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start, you just keep leaving it because you're just confused and don't know where to start. I think that's what was happening to my daughter. She's like, I don't know what to do. It's just so much. The mess is just so big. She don't know what to do. And she's like, Mom, I'm going to do it. But then y'all know she got school, she got work. And then she have her little life. So everything just keep getting worse and worse and worse. I'm like, you know what? Let me take care of it. But I had so much fun. I don't know. Me cleaning is like a fun for me. It's just fun for me. I have fun yesterday. I clean the room. Fun. Yeah. And then the result is what I'm mostly proud of. And then the look on her face. Oh my God. I wish we could have made see her. That girl don't like the camera. But she was very grateful. She was so happy. She was so happy. She just want to know how to keep it this way. I'm like, I don't know how to tell her to keep it, girl. Stop sleep on your bed like that. Because this girl sleep on her sheet. And me alone don't sleep on my comforter them. Me throw the whole of my sheet one side. Everything, pillow sheet, everything the one side. And then me have a little piece at the bed I sleep on. Now when you sleep on comforter, now I have to wash comforter at my shop. No, girl. Comforter have to look good. Comforter have to make bed look good, not for sleep on. In my opinion. Alright, cutie, see y'all later. Me don't know what I'm gift them look more, okay? I'm excited. Alright, bye. Hey, cuties. Hey, guys. I'm home. I am home. So, I come this evening and everything was so nice. This evening should have been the evening when I cook. Because I come home and the kitchen smell good and the kitchen clean. I don't know what going on today, but the kids didn't step up. Everything was so clean and so nice and the house smells so good. I'm like, I told them if I cook. Love that for me. The house just refreshing. Never have to do nothing. The only thing I do is change my clothes. Normally I come in, I am busy. Okay? Alright, so like I said, we're going to unpack them Mother's Day gift here and then go get to my next job. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to leave my daughter stuff them for last. Just because. But anyway, I have this cocktail shaker with recipe. I love this as I don't have one. And I don't make cocktail either. But this make it so easy. Look at it. It got all the recipe lined out right here. And everything looks so easy and so simple. I also got a bottle of Grey Goose. This is huge. This is the biggest bottle of Grey Goose we ever see. Like, so big. Right? It came with this. So I guess they gave me the vodka for start mix the cocktail. Thank you, ladies. Love it. Got this Steve Madison bag from my cousin. I love it so much. So simple. 2 pocket right there, so I'm going like say. You know, one of them cute little one strap bag there for wear. Nice, cute. Love this for me. It have one of them little thing here on the side, little pocket. The side said Steve Madison on it. Got mad chains. I love that. It's cute, right? Why we women love so much fandangles? It's nice. And inside that full of space, like a lot. Thank you, cuz. Thank you so much for my mother's day gift. I love that. Anyway, guys, let's get to the next bag. We have this came with flowers, or roses to be exact, and I put them in some water. So it came in this. It is champagne black and blue. It's perfume. It's a perfume by Barara Beauty. Barara Beauty. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So it's both of them, the black and the blue. So these are from my ex. And I think the reason why he bought them is because when we were together, him have one of them where me live in night, it smells so good. But I'm not sure if it's the black or it's the blue. Ooh. So this is the box. And then you just open up right here. Oh, and then it's in there like a little champagne. So cute. This is not the one he had. The bottle don't look the same. Ooh, Jesus. Ooh, it had wrap. It had have the wrapping like a... Don't tell me. I don't want to pull this now. A souvenir. But I forgot to pull it because I have to smell it. I have to smell it though. Should I smell it now? Yeah, I'm going to smell it now. Let me open it and smell it now. So again, it opens just like a champagne bottle. Get rid of these. Don't spoil the bottle, girl. And then, ooh, then we got that there, and then we'll just spray. Ah! But I know these are for men. These are man cologne, but I'm obsessed with it. Me I'm gonna not stop till me hurt a finger again. It look like that never did come off, you know. So why me can't bother? But anyway, this it is now. This is it. Real nice, but this is not the one that he had. It's not a blue bottle, so it must be the black. I'm telling you to say, me living night. I see why he would got me these for Mother's Day. Thank you so much, Kamara. I love them. I love them. Someone would probably know Kamara. Someone would probably know. Well, not probably, because I was with him when I just joined YouTube. And my first live, I did me and him. No follow did not get to know him that day. But yeah. I don't know, we still streaming enough of my video them same way because we're friends. We hang out every day, same way. Well, not every day, but you know what I mean. And I got the black. I think the black is what he have. This looks so... Cute. I don't want to open it. Can I not? I don't have to open this one. I know it's... I just want to keep it just like this. I just want to keep it like this. I'm sorry. I don't want to open both of them. There. It's so cute. Let's make it go and sit down on the dress a little bit, you know? A little bit. So nice. Thank you so much. Love them. Love them. That. So let's open my Tisha gift them now. First, I'm gonna start with me get like a whole bunch of Stella Rose. Cause you know your girl loves Stella Rose. So I got 3. Y'all saw the setup. I think I'm showing you the setup in the Mother's Day vlog. So there's 3 wine. I got 2 of these and 1 of these. These are so heavy. Oh my god. Cute, right? And I got this thing right here that I love so much. It's basically just like a picture frame that moves. So I guess you just hook it up to your Wi-Fi and upload the pictures them that you want on it, and then you can It has 2 nails in the back, 2 hole in the back for nail. For whatever hook you want to put it on, or you can just put it on your dresser. And then you upload, you know, your memories to it. So she uploaded a couple pictures of me and her when she was much younger. Yes, I guess you can upload as many pictures as you want. But I love this. Love this. I'm gonna hang it somewhere up there. So. But me just plug it in right there so for sure now. So you can lock off back. Or you can turn it off if you don't want, just have it run right through. You know them with it? Yes, now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Leave that for last. We're gonna leave that for last. We have the crock bag. We all know this new crock bag that's going around, right? Crocs or croc, what they call it. Yeah, anyway, that's so. Me already ordered one pink Crocs, so me can wear it to work because summer come with for cute, you know? Cute, I gotta work this summer. I love this, so little and cute. And hear me say I want a smaller bag for work, right? Because the damn bag they're just big. And y'all already know I'm obsessed with Hop. So I got 2 Stanley. 1. Look like we got something in here. Ooh, we just got here ties. I wonder if I mind them here. She probably bought these for a shop, seriously. But we got a scissors and some hair tie. And this one come with a straw. And you know, Stanley love give you instruction on how to use them cup. Why, like every company use the same way. That's in there. Pink and girly. So my pink bag, my pink cup and my pink Crocs. You can't talk to me at the road. And we got the purple one. Ooh, I think she stuffed these deliberately. I don't think it's for the shop at all because it have a whole lot more hair stuff inside there. So cute. A lot more. And again, Stanley thing. This one is giving thermos. Anything going at this? Listen. Yeah, man. This is so cute. Purple. Love it. Love it. Thank you, daughter. Thank you so much. I'll get one of these when we wash your ear. You know? When I wash your face, mean. And that's it for the... And we got the bag. So the bag have this little piece in there where you just put your like money or whatever. Because the bag really full of old like Crocs. And you know, I see the girlies them do. Them gibble it, you know, like how you put gibbles on the gibbles, what they call it. The thing that we put on our Crocs. You could also put it on the bag. And I already know so Shein and have them for cheap. Like a whole bag for about $3. So yeah, I'm about to get a lot. I'm about to write something here and on the Crocs. I'm gonna make it real cute. Real cute. Thank you, Brandy Daily Baby. I love you so much. This is so thoughtful. You know, stuff that I really need. Love that for me. Love that. I'm gonna open my she first. Stop the plane. Alright. Sure. Let's do this. Box. To see what's going on down here. Oh my god, it's a purse. Oh my god, it's a purse. Oh my god. Let's read version. Oh no, she gave me the receipt. Oh, it's like a, if you want to take it back type thing. Let's get to it. Oh. my god. Oh my god. This is the cutest thing ever. This is so cute. You got the strap. So long. Oh no, it's not long, it's two. You got this. Is it gold? Yeah, it's like a gold and black. It's like a gold and black chain type thing. And then we got the logo here. Oh my god. This falls so neat. I want them not neat. Because why is so neat? Not nice, you know? Them literally just fall. Them fold it so neat, I think something in there. Cause you know we used to the one where them just crush up and stuck it down. But no baby. Ooh, give me back. Put two back in there. So. Thank you so much. I love this. It's so nice. Me seeing that, I can guess that this is the slippers to that. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, say. I knew it was. I knew it was. Oh my god. This is so nice. Oh, baby girl, thank you. Thank you. So pretty. So nice. Thank you. Oh my god. These are perfect. Perfect. Where we are going now? Where we are go because these need somewhere for wear. This need an outfit too. That is it, guys. That is it for the gift. That is all my Mother's Day gift. That's all my Mother's Day gift. Thank you so much to every one of y'all. Thank you. Oh, my watch. I think I showed you my watch before. I gotta roll it. I think I showed it before. Oh, but it's or something. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna clean this mess up and then we will soon in a little minute. Alright? I think I'm going to the movie tonight. I'm not sure. Maybe I couldn't know. Alright. Hey cuties, what's going on? You saw me a sweat, me a cook. I'm cooking. I'm actually cooking a seafood shrimp boil. I never go vlog it, but I'm just like, I keep thinking about it too much. Some of the stuff I just show on one little piece. Because I already reached a good look at this time. I just gotta tell you now what I do already. Alright. In here we got sausage. The big you don't know them big glizzy, a glizzy they call it? Those big sausages that they use in shrimp, yeah, they fry them first. Over here we got egg boiling. Yes. Oh, that is hot. Is it? Another pot here of Irish potato, corn, and we just season it with what they call it? A noodle, a cock soup, one of them noodle there, and y'all know the shrimp, the seafood boiled bag thing, whatever they call that. And we'll put a little bit of them something here, pimento. So yeah, that is just that. Put some green seasoning. You know, just season this however you want to season it. Just to give your pots, your food them some flavor. Yeah, so I have that cooking over here. Got the shrimp them here. I already deveined them and cut off most of the, you know, them whiskey and the foot them and all these things. Cut off most of those. So these are clean and this. We just put a little bit, like tiny bit of seafood. seafood seasoning, yeah, just fish seasoning, Jesus. A little bit of fish seasoning and I'm just leave it here so for deal with it last. Alright, so yeah, you're all caught up. Let's get going.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down tonight. Come in just like the sunrise. Know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Hey guys, so these are all the season that I'm going to use for my sauce. Again, this is all the season I'm using. Use what you want to use, okay? All right. Onion powder, smoked paprika, chili, red pepper flake, lemon pepper, of course, garlic powder, Old Bay, black pepper, and parsley, fresh parsley.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back.
$3 night.
We know
Huh?
that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn
So cuties, you guys are gonna let this stay in here and get toasted for a minute, and then we're gonna put some of the water we use to cook the shrimp inside it. Okay? Morning, cuties. Ooh. Oh my god, I think my phone wanna charge. My face is looking extra scrumptious fat these days. Just chubby. But my no business. Well, I do, I'm not gonna lie, I do. Too fat, man, too fat. But anyway, it's 12 o'clock now. I'm just gonna work. I'm not late. It's not 12 yet either. But got called and said to come in 12 today. So I'm gonna just get some extra sleep. You know, I'm want to pull up my ear all now. Tired right now. plus Katt Williams is this weekend and want a fresh look. I want to look cute for Cat. But anywho, you know say, I'll know me not eat. I'll know me not eat dinner. And you see, seafood is my favorite thing in the whole world to eat. And that's why I don't cook it. Because I'm the type of girl, when I cook, it's like I'm over the pot too long. So, I'm not hungry. I never ever want that for reach when it come on to seafood. And it did yesterday. And that's why I don't cook that meal. Because you see that big pan of food just sit there and I can't eat it. I don't like that for me at all. But I just yellow no up still. I was sooner or later. I know go over mommy could give her our Mother's Day basket because she wasn't here when Mother's Day. So we'll drop off our basket here and some food. And the food for Mother's Day too. Like if she no get her food for Mother's Day, it's not gonna nice. So I'm put all of them in her freezer. But me talk to you come on before I start chat shit when it makes sense.
Dow up 271 points.
Hey cuties. So my mother, I won't let them close. I'm try to go to the drive through here real quick because the condition of the car right now bad. Well anyway, I went by my mom and she was in bed, so she never wants to know. Sorry. But it's right here. Ooh. Yeah guys, like me I said, I go over mommy, but she was still in bed in her nightie. I do some type of schoolwork. Test for her job. So I couldn't show her. And now I'm gonna get my car wash. And as much as I have a million things to do, there's this movie come out named Sinners. It's been out for so long and I wait for watch it. I wait for watch it in a in the house. I wait for it to come out clean so I can get bootleg it, but it's not coming out clean. I'm more to watch it so, but I said this is the first time I come here and it's quiet, so quiet. Why? But yeah, I want to watch a movie, so I'll probably go watch the movie just like this, you know, just like this, because we're not here. Something not so right. But anyway, cuties, me I still know if I decide to do something, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright? Okay, let's see. I can feel the gas in my body. Oh, and then I got the movie start. I'm going to grab my ticket fast. What the hell? Oh God, Kayan, stop. Kill the popcorn with butter. My teeth are hurt me. Why? So guys, I know I said I was gonna come and watch Sinners, right? But guess we're out. Final Destination. Final Destination is here. So that's what I'm gonna watch. Which door is it? This place got look so freaking dark. Hold on, let me find where I'm going. Wait, right here.
Because there's no going back.
Hey cuties, hey newbies. Welcome back to the vlog. Guys, today is Katt Williams show. It's Saturday. I just took a good look on my head. I can't believe it. I mean, know when I do tweet, that's the messed up thing. I don't know what I'm about to do to this head. I know I'm to buy some bundles off TikTok one good while now, and I haven't used them. I know I'm to send some, go give my sister, but don't have no idea when I send and when I not send. I don't know when I have left. But me I go in the house now, go dig up and see if I can find something, because I'm going. But I don't even know if the ticket is refundable, and I don't care because me I go. If me I forgot with my head like this, me I go. I must have 3 o'clock last night, I done pull out my head. Crazy. But I'm just getting off work, guys. I'm gonna stop at this place up here and get one salad and go home, grab the ear them. It's like 1:47 now. Katt Williams show is 8 o'clock. I'm trying to be there by the latest 7 o'clock. I'm trying to be there. And me take forever for ready. Oh my god, I'm so worried. I swear. Oh my god, that's crazy. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let's go. Where's my keys? I can't wait to stop with this big ass bag. Oh, what that drop? Looks like one card, man. I tell you now. This is why I can't find my shit. Ah! Come on. What's up, baby?
What's up?
Warm?
No, at work.
Oh. Did I call it up if you want something to eat, but you're not home and I'm not coming back. 5 minutes. 5 minutes? Oh, you're not coming back. You know, to the end of the tour, I will show don't pull it out already.
Yeah, drop it off.
Alright, I'll be back for it. No bread. No bread? No bread. Okay. Yeah, so that sound like she should have a wig. I must come make she put it on. So that sound like it's a better plan. Right? Okay. I see I wanted a bob style. That's I don't want nothing too tall. I just want, I've been wanting to try a bob style forever. I just feel like now is the time for try it. I never wear short hair. I mean, back when I was younger, it used to be so cute, but I haven't done it in a minute. I'm been one try. You know, one bob style. Okay, guys, that sounds good. That sounds like a plan. Alright, feel better. So, doing here, the plan is to grab the food here, so grab tissue patty, get me hair done, come back, beard instant, put on my makeup fast, then try find clothes. That's the important part, find clothes, because that's going to be rough. First of all, I don't know how to dress to go on and show here. But me just have dress on me one dress. And the business, if I overdress or if I underdress. You feel me? That's what's going to happen today. I nah run with the crowd because I don't even know what the crowd is. I've never been to one of these comedy shows. I go comedy show already, but this is like in the mall. And that's just, you draw one jeans pants and one shirt. But I know for sure Katt Williams tour, you know, draw one jeans pants and one shirt. I don't think so. And if they do, I'm not doing that. Not me. They have one skirt suit I'm wear so long that just tonight might be the night. Let's just see how it fit me when like I'm gain so much weight. Hopefully it's cute. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But anyway, later. Shit. Yeah, baby girl. Hey.
See out here.
Mama Lashy.
What?
For yesterday, me I call your phone. What happened? Brody, oh, our phone did fine yesterday. Oh, that possible. Yo, my hot life. Fire! This is not the good day for wear black. Okay, guys, I hope you guys can see this is the look. Boots fashion over, skirts, everything fashion over, except for the jewelry sheet. Remember these from my last Sheena? Yeah. And I'm gonna put this jacket on. But when I tell them to say hot like fire, I ain't even the fucking word right now. I feel like send me have to wait till I'm going to the car. Right now me a rush. It look kind of weird, but anyway, this is it. This is the full suit. One of the Kylie Jenner jacket. It's not the Kylie Jenner outfit, but it's the style. Because I got this one fashion over. Yeah. So, let's go. Some love, no, but don't fall in love, no. Rose book when we are fuck, no. Just baby, please. That's why some love, no. sweat out the whole of the ear. I say me a sweat like a hog. Chew me a rush. But the style is it's so cute. Whole heap of curl and beard things and them just gone. But it was so nice. I don't know if I angle ear style, I just me that. Don't know if I angle him something there. That's why I'm a rock natural ear. But anyway, it is now 7:51. The show starts 8 o'clock.
Use the middle lane to turn slightly left to
8
stay on
o'clock.
Main Street.
And I'm still, well, I am almost downtown, so. Right, yeah? And then I know traffic is going to be so bad.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Trumbull Street.
Anyway. I can't go carry on in the, oh, so I'm going to soon when I come home. Right? Alright. I'm been over. I love you more. Baby, just wine for me, wine for me.
ACP Award winner. Give it up for the Queen.
I just saw something that filled my motherfucking heart. Whenever I play that song, I look at the white people. Cause I wanna see what the fuck they gonna say. I wanna see if they trying to be niggas or they trying to be white. And I looked at this white bitch right here and she was like, shit. Put your hands together for comedic genius. Give it up for Tommy Davidson.
Where the ladies at this evening? Where the ladies at? Ladies, come on. Shake that shit. Let me hear it go.
I believe the door open. I believe the door.
I like it.
I believe that.
You ever seen wild paprika? Hell no. Cause there ain't no paprika. Ain't no paprika plant. Ain't no paprika bush. Ain't no paprika tree. Look at niggas. What? Well, what the fuck we been putting on deviled eggs, nigga? Truth is, ain't no paprika. Paprika is dried up bell peppers. Look at niggas, I don't like bell peppers. On the map, the whole map was red. Even the people that voted for Kamala was red. They showed her house, it was 50-50. It ain't but two of y'all in there. They tried to blame it on black men. Y'all did not support. You shut the fuck up, bitch. We did our 9%. It's everybody else. Hold on. What'd you say, sir? This how Hartford did this. These niggas is communicating. I heard something my brain couldn't even understand. At one of her shows, they said a woman was gonna suck my dick until I shit. And I didn't think I had a line, but that's the line. No thank you. The fuck? Man, if you suck my dick till I shit, you have ignored my secret password 3 times, bitch. I said pineapple Pikachu, bitch.
But Cuties, that was awesome. That was so good. Laugh from the beginning to the end. And it was literally like, what time is it now? It's 11 o'clock. I was there from 8. whole heap of different comedian. I thought it was just gonna be like an hour Katt Williams. No. And listen, this is his last show. So this is where him actually shoot him Netflix special. So it's a good thing I dress up, cause maybe, just maybe, you see your girl on TV. I'm kidding. I didn't see no lights. But that was so good. Oh my god. Yeah, except listen, one Tito's, y'all know Tito's cheap, right? One Tito's $16. And when I say one Tito's, I mean a special with what? They literally measure it. Remember with that Jamaica, you measure the kind of the little cup? I couldn't tell when last me see that. They measure the shot of Tito's. That's crazy. I give you one shot of that, whole heap of ice, and 1 cup of orange juice. I'm gonna get one of that for 17 something. And then I'm like, nah, I'm not getting another one. I'm gonna get a beer. 12.30 for a beer. Listen, I'm like, alright, that's it for me. Not me, not my money. So, I'm gonna find somewhere go get a drink right now. So, listen, this outfit is so cute. I love when I get a little picture. I need a picture somewhere. I mean, nobody a par with. If nobody take a picture with me. But I'm gonna find somebody tonight, you know. Yes, man, I'm gonna find somebody to take a nice picture with me tonight. But I'm gonna find somewhere downtown for go to chill, because if we never see the traffic, make why you think I'm saying so? The traffic. Oh, by the way, $25 for parking. $25 for parking. Yes, girl. But listen, I'm out. I'll be back. Alright, bye. Me want for the on top of you. Me put on me Giuseppe. Betty Boo. Betty Boo.
In 600 feet, use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right to stay on
And
Main
I just
Street.
saw one night stand.
At the right, use the right 2 lanes to turn slightly right to stay on Main Street.
I'm pushing it. She grip me number.
Alright, guys.
Don't want me up, you're an artist. What the girl them like? The little girl, what she want? She want it. Then hear me. And you wait through the door. Remember, you know what? She little and mad.